In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Apollo.io for enterprise sales, giving you a quick guide to get you up to speed in no time. Whether you're looking to streamline your sales process, expand your reach, or get more qualified leads, Apollo.io is one of the best tools out there for enterprise level businesses. And today, I'll walk you through how to leverage its full potential. First off, if you're new to Apollo.io, it's a powerful sales intelligence platform that helps businesses find and connect with their ideal customers. The platform combines data from millions of companies and professionals to build accurate and actionable lead lists so you can focus your efforts on what matters, closing deals. And here's the best part. You can try Apollo.io for completely free with the exclusive bonuses I've linked below. Now let's dive into how you can use Apollo.io to boost your enterprise sales. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is set up your account. When you log in for the first time, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, which is easy to navigate and gives you an overview of your account's performance, your outreach efforts, and more. Next, let's talk about finding leads. Apollo.io's database is packed with over 200 million contacts across a wide range of industries, so finding your target audience is simple. You can search by job title, company size, location, industry, and many other criteria. Whether you're targeting executives or mid-level managers, Apollo.io lets you build detailed filters to ensure you're only reaching out to people who are a perfect fit for your offering. Once you've created your lead list, Apollo.io allows you to enrich that data with contact details and company insights. This means you can get the full picture of your prospects, not just their emails and phone numbers, but also their job history, social media presence, and company information. This data helps you personalize your outreach, which leads to better response rates. One of the most powerful features of Apollo.io is its outreach capabilities. You can automate email sequences, track responses, and even schedule follow-ups right within the platform. This is a game changer for enterprise sales teams that need to maintain consistent contact with dozens or even hundreds of prospects. You can also monitor email opens, clicks, and replies, making it easy to see what's working and adjust your strategy. Another key feature is Apollo.io's integrations. The platform works seamlessly with popular CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, and others. This means you can sync your data effortlessly across your sales stack without having to manually input everything, saving you time and reducing the chances of errors. And if you're looking for more advanced analytics, Apollo.io provides detailed reports on your outreach efforts. You can track metrics like open rates, response rates, and even the performance of individual email sequences. This helps you identify what's driving your best results, so you can double down on strategies that work. So, now you've got a good sense of how Apollo.io can revolutionize your enterprise sales efforts. From lead generation and enrichment to email automation and reporting, this platform has everything you need to scale your sales efforts effectively. Remember, if you're ready to start using Apollo.io for enterprise sales, you can access it for free with an extended trial through the link in the description below. This exclusive offer lets you explore all the features Apollo.io has to offer without any commitment, so you can see if it's the right tool for your business. To recap, Apollo.io helps you find your ideal prospects, automate your outreach, and track your performance, all in one place. It's a game changer for anyone in enterprise sales, and with our exclusive free trial, you can get started today without any risk. Check out the first link below for that free trial and get your enterprise sales on the fast track with Apollo.io.